YouTube, Mr. Random here checking in. So today's video, I'm gonna mock up this here 60-degree inch and 7/8 pipe to be able to weld up our turbo and get this here welded in place as well. I'm gonna show y'all how we do that. Go ahead and hit that like button, y'all. Good for the algorithm. So y'all see what we got going on. If you're new, make sure you comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all that love and support, y'all. Y'all see, I have a mark right here, and this mark here is where I want to cut my my pipe at to bring it in some. Now, I wanted at this here angle to be able to clear our turbo. So at this angle here, it's saying 40 degrees to the outside. So I'm pretty sure it'll be. And if I was to go straight, y'all can see it zeroes out. So we wanted 40 degree kicked out. We got our line straight enough to bring it in, okay? So we know we need it at a 40. And as far as this here, where we want to mount our pipe at, I'm gonna get my pipe exactly where I want it. And I need to clear my water lines from my power steering pump. So I'm gonna put him right above it, mark my pipe to where it'll hit this turn on that 90, which was right here, because it's not exactly flush, you know. I want to go ahead on and mark where it needs to connect with my 90. So this is the gap that I need. You see that? The markings on my pipe. I'm gonna go ahead on and drill this out. I'm gonna drill this whole area out with a 2.5 inch carbide tip that we have here. Y'all see we got our marks right here. And this is the flat side of our log manifold. And this here is where our 90 starts. So what you wanna do is you wanna drill this thing to where it falls out exactly where these two marks meet. And you get your 90 degree down here. And up top, you'll have less of pipe. You see what I'm saying? So you will still be on a, you'll still be at the 45. I'm gonna show you how we do all of that. But that's all we really needed, y'all. Are we good, gang? We good. Got it lined up. Next, what we can do though, we can mark out our turbo log so we could drill him. And we're gonna drill him with 1 3/4 inches, even though our pipe is 1 5/8 inches. And why we're gonna go smaller? We're gonna go smaller because I didn't want the pipe, I didn't want to have to weld it and insert the pipe in there or fill in any big gaps on the outside with any welding. I wanted everything to be flush, and I didn't want it to go in there because it might restrict some airflow that's needed to go to our wastegate. Let's mark him up. And I'm gonna cut this here out with a 2 inch. I'm gonna put my top side of our carbine knockout right here, and I'm gonna line the bottom side right there to where we could get our curve up in our pipe. You feel me? So all of that top side, all this here gonna be 8 out, and we gonna drill that at that 40 degree angle. You dig? I'm gonna show y'all how we do that. See what happened now. Gotta get him out of that game. Alright. And we adjust all the way through. We had just hit it. So let's go ahead and put a fresh tip up in our knockout. See, it's kind of grippy. We'll see, we're getting it. It's taking time for sure. Takes time.
I see we starting to get a little daylight up in there.
We're almost through, y'all. Got a little bit.
All right, gang, we got him. Finally got him out of there, y'all.
That's our pipe whack right here. We're gonna cut him up, get him fitted how he needs to be, and get him welded in place, y'all. Alright, gang, y'all see that we done cleaned it up nice and good, guys. We got all of our yellow marking off of there. We rounded our edges up and we got them pretty flat as well, so we should be good with our spark plug boot clearance. Next, let's go ahead and wrap this here turbo manifold up, guys. It's that time. Let's get it.